iyi yava polisi, iyi muri Zimbabwe yava polisi, handiti yaakutaura iyi yava polisi, ndo paunoona kuti nyaya yacho yasvika kupi. Right, so as reported by the Mira Masvingo muri Zimbabwe, Inzwai, first vari kutanga vachiti to seek term extension after 48 years as minister, president is mind-blogging, former chief superintendent Matange. Chinzwai, right, as the Mira reported, Hanzi, veteran police officer and former chief superintendent Lancelot Matange has described the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 as a final death knell on democracy, and the amendment takes Zimbabwe back to colonial times. Apanzi, veteran police officer and former chief superintendent ndo vari kutaura zvinhu izvi. Muri Zimbabwe zvinofanira kunzwisisa kuti iwewe which voices are speaking. Kana uchinzwa tichiti tendai bitu, you know the citizens are speaking, but they are mostly like ordinary citizens, vanhu vasina zvinzvimbo kana kumbooccupa zvinzvimbo. So pamakanzwa paya pachibudikira retired marshal Henry Muchena, and then tobva vana retired general Sigauke vachipindirawo futi, waakunzwa kuti vari kutaura ndivanani. So Inzwai, handei kumberi. Matange joins a long list of former top security service chiefs who have condemned the bill. He said it is mind-boggling for President Mnangagwa, who has served as a cabinet minister and president for 48 years, to seek an extension of his term as if projects will ever end. Hanzi projects muri Zimbabwe achangoramba ariko. And it obvious for projects achangoramba. Tichipedza iri pechatanga rimwe. Ndo zvaita kwaunzi iwewe paunosvika even 2030 yacho pane rimwe project rinenge ratotanga muna 2029. So ndiani acharipedzisa? Are you going to come back again woti uruda term extension because uruda kupedzisa project irororo? So it's not a valid reason kuti kwai ndiruda kupedzisa maproject. That's why pane ma-institutions, these guys who come, as you become president, you are occupying a position over institutions that are already there, that are already overseeing projects. So the projects will just continue. Right, and Hanzi, those advocating to change the defense forces function are not being motivated by safeguarding future generations, but by fear of a coup and safeguarding their own material interests, said Matanga. It's a quote state from General Matanga. Hanzi vari kuti ivo army varoda kubvisa mazino army from upholding this constitution to acting in accordance with this constitution. Varoda kubvisa Zimbabwe Defense Forces mazino. Havasi kuzviita izvozvo because zvinowisa in development. No, they're just doing it kuti vaavoid a coup so that they can continue being in power. Muri kuona kautsotsi kacho apa zvitaugwa na Matange, zvitaugwa na chief superintendent Matange former. And in a position paper presented to parliament, Matange said first and foremost it is not proper for MPs and the president to propose and facilitate a constitutional amendment that is going to benefit them. He said that this is not only illegal law, but there is conflict of interest. So ipa murukunzwa kuti in a position paper presented to parliament, Matange said zvirava kuti it's a presentation paper ratoiswa kuparliament nemapurisa anenge asiri wanu. Ukaona ipolisi iyi muri Zimbabwe iri kuita zvinhu izvi, panotova nemamwe mapurisa atori mubheka. Handiti hanzi turning to the abolition of direct election of the president by the electorate, Matange said that it is more democratic for the masses to choose their president than to have the president elected through a few people. The argument that the practice of indirect election of the president is common in many parts of the world is flawed, as this is like copying and pasting a bad idea simply because other countries are doing it, said Matange. Muri Zimbabwe, muri kumanzwa ma-members of security achitaura zvaari kutaura, ende iva muri kuzai kuti vanhu vasungwa vamwe varohwa vamwe vaita tawana mareports ezvinhu pachitsotsi chiri kuitika even uko vari kurambidzwa kutaura mfana mwana wa David Coulthard wabigwa foni gwararo pamaconsultations handiti but zvose zvichiitika then a member of the security anonoisa position paper kuparliament richiopposa bill number 3 zviri kuudza kuti chii vanonzwisisa vanotoziziva. So hande kumberi this one is a direct quote hanzi to allow an MP to vote for the president of my choice is as bad as allowing him to represent me in committing a crime. To try and align the amendment with the so-called international or regional practices is tantamount to copying and pasting bad practices. And it said Matange, this is a direct quote according to the Mirror, Masvingo Mirror. Hanzi, Matange also castigated one of the amendments which he says forces traditional leaders to actively participate in politics. There is no way that these traditional leaders would support an opposition political party, and therefore, in a way, this is introducing chiefs, headmen, and village heads to partisan politics, said Matange. And why muchida kungochinja zvinhu zvanga zvichifamba zviri smooth madzishe anga achingoita zvinhu zvavo vanga achingoita imakuda kumachinja kuti ngavachiita zanu mirai kuda kungochinja zvinhu zvisingadi kuchinjwa. Handiti regai constitution iri zvairi moita step down moenda kana nguva yenyu yakwana 2028 hande kuberi. So takupedzisa apa hanzi Matange also said that any constitutional amendments that increase term limits must go to referendum in terms of the 2013 constitution. Now we quote, it is therefore mind-boggling to note the illegal gotten justification for a man who has been in government, ministerial and presidential positions for 48 years to extend this term of office to see his vision projects through as if the projects will ever end. Vachibva vapedza chief superintendent Matange muri Zimbabwe muri kuzvinzwira imimi kuti zvizviri kuitika. The Mirror Masvingo iri kutukudza panapa kutoti a veteran police officer and former chief superintendent Lancelot Matange vataura zvinhu izvi. In fact, it's a position paper rayasubmitwa kuparliament rangufanana neposition paper rakasubmitwa kuparliament retired air marshal Henry Muchena. So muri kuzvinzwisisa here kuti nyaya yasvika kupi panapa. Nyaya payasvika panapa patova panhu pari serious, patova panhu pekuti we are about to see amendment bill richipasiswa. But kana rikapasiswa, what will come after that? And the question, because we as you can see, there is a lot of people who also have positions who are not in agreement with amendment bill number 3. And as a matter of fact, these people, all of them, they have one thing, it's impossible for this bill to be passed by the parliament. Azviiti parliament ivotere bill iri and yoripasisa sezviri kurongwa. This bill must go through a referendum because zvariri kuzama kuchinja muconstitution zvakatonyogwa muconstitution zvinofanira kuchinjwa the public through a referendum. So vakomana vakazama kuda kuforsa bill iriri panogona kuita makakatano akati kurei. Handiti. So mrezi Zimbabwe garai panapa pa the Mtapa Times, you know you will never miss any important update. Thank you for watching.